My father was with the group of 1,500 Jews who in 1938, just shortly, I believe it was a month before the war started, were trying to get to Palestine, and they were waiting on the Romanian border to cross, and the British stopped them from crossing the border. And as a result of that, Menachem Begin addressed the group of 1,500, returning their passport and promising them that we will reunite in Eretz Israel, in Eretz Yisrael. And the destiny of Menachem Begin was similar to the destiny of my father and many other Jews who ran away from Poland as soon as the war started. They found themselves in Russian prisons or in Siberia. Later, in 1977, when Menachem Begin became Prime Minister of Israel, my father wrote him a Shana Tova letter, a letter for the Happy New Year, and he wished him good luck in becoming the Israeli Prime Minister. And he wished him long years and a lot of strength to lead Israel to safety with peace.